There's a specific kind of silence in the economy right now that feels different from 2008 or 2020. If you look at the stock market, the lines are going up. If you look at corporate profits, oh, they're really healthy. But if you look at your LinkedIn feed, it is a graveyard of open to work banners. See, we're not in a traditional recession. We're in a structural deletion. The economy isn't shrinking. It is shedding a specific type of weight. If you feel like the ground is shifting under your feet, it is. And trying to wait it out is the wrong strategy. For the last 40 years, the safest path to wealth was to become a facilitator. You got a degree, you got a corporate job, and you manage the flow of information. You attended meetings, you organized teams, and you passed data from one department to another. That was the guarantee. But in 2026, we are witnessing the death of the facilitator. We are seeing companies record higher profits with fewer employees. This isn't just cost cutting. It is a permanent realization that the middleman layer of the workforce is no longer generating value. Here's the test. Ask yourself this one question. If you stopped working today, if you just vanished, how long would it take the company to actually lose revenue? If the answer is immediately, you're safe. If the answer is a few weeks, or it might just have to reschedule some meetings, you're in the danger zone. We're moving from an economy of coordination to an economy of creation. So, what replaces the facilitator? The operator. An operator is someone who doesn't just manage the process, they build the outcome. But what does that actually look like? If you want to survive this shift, you need to acquire one of 3 specific high leverage skills. Let me give them to you. Skill number 1, the automator. In the old world, a company hired 5 people to manage customer data. Today, one person using no-code tools can do the work of all 5. You don't need a computer science degree to learn this. You need to learn logic. The value you bring isn't your time, it's your ability to build a system that runs without you. Skill number 2, the revenue generator. When budgets get cut, the support staff are the first to go. The people who bring the money in the door are the last to go. This means direct sales, copywriting, customer success, or performance marketing. Learn how to write words that make people buy things. If you're close to the cash flow, you are immune to the deletion. Skill number 3, the AI translator. You got to understand, we are past the point of playing with chatbots. Companies are desperate for people who can actually integrate these models into a workflow, these LLMs. This isn't about writing prompts. It's about understanding how to clean data and feed it into a model to get a business result. How do you write the prompt to get the best result? So, how do you learn these skills that I just named? The automator, the revenue generator, the AI translator. How do you learn these? Do not go back to college. Do not go back to university. The syllabus is already outdated. You learn these by project-based auditioning. You don't send a resume saying that you're a hard worker. No, what you do is you build a project, a functioning automation, a sample sales campaign, a working data model, and you send that. You put that on your resume. A link to your profile, a link to your functioning automation, your sales campaign, your working data model. See, the economy of tomorrow will not pay you for your time. It will only pay you for your output. The safe corporate job was a temporary historical anomaly, and that window is closing. Now, this sounds frightening, but it's actually clarifying. It's actually free. The market is honest. It pays for value. If you can create value directly without needing a corporate structure to prop you up, you will not just survive this shift, you will thrive in it. I am telling you this not to scare you, but to prepare you. The rules of the game have changed. Don't cling to the old model. Become undeniably useful. Yes, we're in a job market crisis right now, but they can't keep people out of work forever. And when they start back hiring, they are going to be looking for the operators, not the facilitators. They are going to be looking for the people who will bring value, who create an output that means something to the business. That's why those 3 skills we named are so important. If you want to understand the mechanics of this new market, subscribe to Financial Reality. We're going to navigate this shift together. Thanks for watching.